Welcome back, friend. In this lecture, we see routing protocols. So here, here the diagram, a simple diagram which helps us to know the types of routing protocols. Here, routing protocols are divided into two different types: intradomain and interdomain. In intradomain, there is further two types: distance vector and link state. Distance vector work on RIP and link state work on OSPF. The other side here, interdomain work on path vector and path vector work on BGP. Okay, so here we are having several protocol which help us for the routing. Okay, so let's first try to understand what is intranet. Intranet is nothing but a autonomous system. For example, suppose we are having a network of a university. Okay, so here in a university, suppose there are uh, three router which are internally connected each other. Okay, so here this is a network of university, but the sharing the information between these router, that is called intranet. That is what? Intranet. And this university network want to communicate of other university or college network. Okay, so here this college network is also called a intranetwork. Here in a college also several routers are connected to each other. So the conversation between network itself, that is called intranetworking, or this is autonomous system. Here this is another autonomous system. The conversation or sharing information between these routers, that is called intranetwork. But when these two networks want to share some data between each other, that is called internetwork. Okay, or interdomain. This type of sharing of information is called interdomain, and here this kind of sharing of information or data, that is called intradomain. Okay, now let's come to the next point. So here the protocols are used two types of routing tables. Here static routing table and another one is dynamic routing table. In a static routing table, user may put input input manually in a static routing table, which is good for the a particular autonomous network or a limited area network or for LAN network. Okay, but when we are dealing with WAN or internet networking, at that time static routing table cannot be work as efficient than as dynamic routing table. So that's why we are using dynamic routing table widely. Okay, now here these are the unicast routing protocols. So routing information protocol, the full form of RIP is what? Routing information protocol. Okay, this is a real life protocol also. Here OSPF, open short path first, and another one is what? BGP, means border gateway protocol. Okay, these all protocols are unicasting protocol and they are using dynamic routing table. So here I hope you know what do you mean by intra networking and what is mean by inter networking. This is intra domain and the conversation between two networks, two LAN networks, using the internetworking, that is called inter-domain. Okay, here in an inter-domain we know BGP, border gateway protocol, is used, and inside of the autonomous system here we are using RIP, means routing information protocol, and another one is what, OSPF, open shorted path first. Okay, so in our next lecture we'll see distance vector routing in detail, that is the RIP, routing information protocol. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Dharaz Infotech, and please don't forget press the bell icon which help you to notify my upcoming videos.